Efrititio. Amamrani amania gana mamrani amania santi mamamrani efrititio. Efrititio. Anunti na odosa wa memenu abasi want na wa mamamrani na mamrani efrititio. Me kai muse so refi ukromu ina benya wira bedase amamrani amania efrititi amparo.
Anglican Cathedral. Wow, we thank you so much.
Engoma tro de eyade a eho wo mfaso ye na ho nso ehia ye na ne nwanwa ne se ya nheda mfa engoma kan antete abibifo ye kasa ene ye tete ye na kasa na nso eno nkyira se ye ntimi nka ngoma ye mpe ngoma kan nti ye nim ngoma ana ye nim ade ye nim pa ngoma twerɛfoɔ nyinaa ɔmkɔbu samerewa no ɛne nkɔkora no na ɔmatwerɛ nti wohwɛ a ɔnom a ɔmotwerɛ ɔhoma no ankasa koraa no ɛyɛ yɛ nananom ɛna twerɛ na ɔmo a ɔmakɔ sukuu no yɛ ɔmotie na ɔmatwerɛ atintim saa krataa no na ɔmotwerɛ wie nso a yɛwɔ kasa bi wɔ yɛ Ghana man mu ha sɛ wopɛ sɛ wode adeɛ sie obibini a na watwerɛ ahyɛ nwoma mu onka ne ne onka ne kyina ommie mu kura na je se asɛm na odi hye mu no odi asie enne dua yi a ye ne ye maame ye nua ye soa atwerɛ nhoma bie de je se obie ye ni abia hu se esese ye pɛ nhoma kan na ɔse the silver stool stabilized na silver stool stabilized no silver stool no ye de eye dwete dwa de nyina ye nim se yate sikadwa ate sikadwa no na be de akire ene dwete sika ene dwete ye ka se dwete a sika de ya na ehu no kokko ana se eno na ye frɛ no gold no na eba dwete de a eno nso ye frɛ no silver no na silver stool established there and ye naturally say ye dwete dwa no se ye ne apaso a enne ye siripi engoma a ye nua ba no watwero no bibia ewo ha ofa obiemu a obehu se enwum ewom ebie ewom peninsam kotwi babreman enso ewom obehu mampong titiriw ensem ene atwero wo mu nanso untimi nka sebe asanteman asem wa abra mampong emamu untimi nka mampong asem wa abra asante sem emamu every say asante no eda ho no ni ti ene ne nan na ni ti no ya asante ne no na ne nsa dia aka no enso mampo ne senti ena emre bi BBC ye a osantehene eho kaaye ewo okokon mampo hene ena obeji edi kan ya ne senti ye frɛ no enwisia hene asanteman nwisia hene na asanteman nwisia hene ene sɛ mo papa ena modi nachi na mo kosa ena mo papa ho aka enti no mo papa ho aka de a ene na mo aye nwisia na mo aye nwisia de a esese nya ohene ema ne di monim samre no tete ho no 1717 ya nya obia se da sebre mampo hene enti yenyina ye hu se sabe ufra santia o santini asantini amaka oye ne momu ukoya mamponi dia na di twam yenka hu se obie ngoma no mu a eno ma wo mu pi ekire baby a mampon fire mia otena ye baby o free potin mia otena ye ansa na o bepie baby a ye frɛ no mampon nei na enye na hongono ene ode bae enso ofamu ebae na kire se mampon ode mampon na ode asem
upon him, Nana Jam Command Diffie Autosumieno. Most Reverend Cyril Kobna Ben Smith, Primate and Metropolitan Archbishop of the Anglican Church of the province of West Africa. Our MP and incoming MP, Kweku Amprenchim Sapong, members of Parliament, ministers of state, eminent clergy, Nananum, our own regional chairman, Chairman Wontumi, and regional executives, MMDCs, Sarakin Zungu, my good friend, Ejabi Ase, distinguished members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, and that way, that's cool. Akwasidai, inti, Mimao, any man for mine in a die touchy. The Sabre with our Sipan say, so I can make the ODNA, what friend is saying, be guest speaker. Wash me in your yam, Yamin Shrow, Yamin Mao quite tinting. That's a very book here. Ye launchy a day, Moitro of a Fifi. Eddie, Yantre, from time I'll be now Kunia and before actually said ye, Wakuta, Mampom mine within assigned to mine now. Sabuki, actually, and you may be bria, why and the Mampom mine now, I tresse and pa, oh ye, and you ma. Ura oye lawyer sona oye nana ninyina ka hobom na ama usa yensa yenyina yesuensia wo hono and ohwe sabuki ma obahu say dasebre open education edisua pa a friend of edisua ura. Now, the focus, because you know, say, or might be a bit too ponga, yes, I disable now overfa and a minor tumpong. That's a bread, any assentiment were soon force 8 to 2. Sana quine and omudi in a air faso. Sa quine so, or money, unique, or money government, and no mungina a year I drink. Yes, so ye say, or my bed tumponga, yes, at this home. NT and yadi free senior high school education no yadi ba Ghana and then if you were training young quarterning get me a senior high school free na yama minum ne papanum omoyentua school fees the Sunday teacher training allowance omuchwe mono yadi aba. Lesson training allowance, first, not chalk in this school, and they are taught computer tablets. Yadi Chiche Emma, senior high school students in Yanya buying your Pesay Yuma, Ubia, Timian and Faso. But if I say, Mission and Abo say, Amaniampong, enemas Asante Maina, Omo Benya Puntua, Efata, Efri, MPP, Abai. Yena Yenim said, Osunoko Crew Amaniampong. Many founding fathers, Efri Amaniampong, Amponsa, Victor Usu. Lawyer J.K. Osafo, Ibana Ochoro Buki, Ajene Mboate, Lawyer K.J. Osaibons, Munina pillars within MPP, within Osonoko Koko, Amaniampong. They say, da Josephine Osafo Asipa, Wachro, book ye fe, was sacrifices said nana ekano. Now, Wachro book ye fe, Amayina. Intiina yambo modi. Say, ye be free her. Na ikuta book ye na ye free her. Yama I won't muno, ebe ma mfaso Amayina. Inti yambo yam modi. Na obiya obe free her no. Na wikuta book yiso free her because adia muno ube chere sedi nema ko Amaniampong traditional area ne asante mine ina yina betimia siya bibi wo sedi mini ma semeba ewiyi bamen potokakra with all humility and great excitement I declare the silver stool stabilized this great book that has been written. Silver School stabilized. Actors, heroes, impact as duly launched. Thank you very much. Amaniampong here that's a yamema quite that's it.
A round of applause for the Vice President.
Dr.Likie Osebonsu, the occupant of Silver Stool, and the Paramount Chief of Amaniampong. Respected Paramount Chiefs and Queen Mothers invited. Nananom, clergy, members of Parliament, Ministers of State, MMDCs, invited guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. You are warmly welcome to this auspicious event. Thank you for sharing your time with us. We have gathered here today to celebrate a remarkable achievement in stewardship, a testament to dedication, hard work, and commitment to excellence. It is my singular honor to congratulate the occupant of the Silver Stool, Dr. Dasibre Osebonsu, the second Mambohinin on this feat. We are witnessing a historic moment for the Silver Stool and Asanteman. I, Berema Osefide II, wish to express my profound gratitude to him for the journey of peace, stability, and the development we are enjoying in the traditional area. As the son of Dasibre Osebonsu, I am immensely proud of his stewardship on the Silver Stool. Samuel Johnson said, and I quote, "Great works are performed, not by the strength, by the perseverance," end of quote. The paramountcy is highly respected and woven in Ashanti Union. Hence, the Silver Stool leadership requires a profound sense of responsibility, and the Dasible dedication, passion, and commitment to service have truly made a difference in that regard. They set a remarkable standard of excellence for us to follow. This dedication responsibility should serve as inspiration to all of us. Nananom, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Dasibre has been guided for the past 25 years by a vision of education and development, a position he believes will bring peace and prosperity to the traditional area. The impact is significant as the traditional area is referred to as the education hub in Ghana. This milestone reflects a broader impact on our community and beyond. Again, the health and well-being of his people is one of his foremost priorities. It is of no wonder that there is no galamsey activities around our water bodies in traditional area, and this is commendable. In concluding, on behalf of Nana Jakuma Difie II, the paramount queen mother of Mampong, the Adontin Feko that I lead, Nifan Feko Efijase, Benkum Feko Jamase, Apan, Abrempong, Contre Akwam, Chidom, Jase, and Kobia, and Achamehini. Please join me in offering our heartfelt congratulations on this well-deserved honor. The several Dr. Osebonsu, Asantemai Sahini, Okoche Ahini, Asantemai Nina Wisi Ahini. Here is to celebrating you and to the future of Asantemai. Daddy, congratulations and thank you.
Your Excellency, Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia, the Vice President of the Great Republic of Ghana, who I am privileged to call my dear son, as the #1 servant to achieve whatever we set as our own goal. This is the gist of the title that our own daughter has been able to put down. This book not only chronicles my journey, but also encapsulates the rich tapestry of experiences, struggles, and triumphs that have shaped my life. Reflecting on my early years, I am reminded of the simplicity and purity of life with my mother, Teacher Mary Jima, Mrs. Mary Hindman, of blessed memory. Those formative moments, steeped in tradition and cherished values, laid the foundation for my future endeavors and instilled in me a deep appreciation for our heritage and respect for humanity. My journey has been marked by pivotal moments, each presenting its own set of challenges and opportunities. From my roles as a public servant in banking, as an assistant clerk to Parliament, and then as registrar of a great Commonwealth University, Kwame Nkrumah, to my role as a chief, dedicated to preserving our cultural traditions and advancing our community's development. Each step has been driven by commitment to honor my past while forging a path toward a brighter future. Throughout my life, I have had the privilege of working alongside and living with remarkable individuals who have inspired and supported me. While each of you here today has played a significant role, permit me to single out a few notable personalities. First and foremost is my own, His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Pt.2 II, the King of Asante Kingdom. And then, of course, my ever gorgeous, one better half, Lady Janet Dorothy Jima Kese. Mama, over there, let's give her a hand. Without her, I don't exist. Mama, I rely on you, and I appreciate you, and I adore you. My daughter, Dr. Nana Mary Jima Kese. Then, of course, my own gracious niece, Nana Ajakuma Difie, my great and lovely Mampong Hima. the audacious Mampohima, the gregarious Mampohima, and the dynamic Mampohima, and the chiefs and queen mothers of Asante Mampong. Together, we have navigated the complexities of leadership, sought solutions to present challenges, and celebrated victories, both great and small, that have contributed to our collective progress. This book is not just a reflection of my life, but a testament to the strength and resilience of Mampong Mind. It pays tribute to the values we hold dear, the traditions we cherish, and the future we envision for the generations to come, so that our generations will continue to hold aloft the kingdom of Mampong Mind and continue.
Amamrani amania gana mamrani amania santi mamamrani efrititio anunti na odo sewa memenu abasi want nawa ema mamrani na mamrani efrititio me kai muse so refi ukromo yina benya wira bedwase amamrani amania efrititi amparo Adwa gospel hima mamra ya to twin ye menuanum da bia be ha ye pa mamra ya to twin ye saya to twin ya da bia be ha ye ni mamra odo sa wa memenu abase ya to twin ye free samamra free titio mamra ya to twin ye saya to twin ya da bia be ha ye ni mamra ya to twin ye na mamra nyina free tete wate oduma kuma body nyina wade amane ka ho ene amamra se ye fant na stasi so